On a lush island in the heart of the Pacific, a young girl named Moana dreams of adventure beyond the horizon. The sound of the ocean's waves crashing against the sandy shores calls to her, whispering her name. Moana, though always surrounded by the beauty of her island, feels an irresistible lure tugging her towards the ocean. Her grandmother, Tala, the village's elder and storyteller, often tells tales of their ancestors who once sailed the vast ocean. She speaks of bold explorers who followed the stars and discovered new islands, filling Moana's imagination with excitement. Her father, Chief Tue, however, insists that their island has everything they need, and forbids venturing beyond the reef. Despite her father's warnings, Moana can't shake the feeling that her destiny lies beyond her island. One day, while walking by the shore, she notices a shimmering light beneath the ocean's surface. Curiosity and intuition pull her closer. As she reaches out to touch the water, the ocean miraculously parts, revealing a path of glowing seashells leading to a small forgotten canoe hidden among the palms. Moana confides in Grandma Tala, who reveals that it is her destiny to restore the Heart of Te Fiti. Tala entrusts Moana with a glowing green stone, the Heart of Te Fiti, and encourages her to find the demigod Maui, who can help her on her quest. With newfound determination, Moana decides to set sail, embracing the call of the ocean. As the sun rises, she embarks on a thrilling journey across the waves, trusting in her instincts and the ocean's guidance. Through her adventure, Moana discovers her own inner strength and the importance of listening to the voice inside. Along the way, she faces challenges and forms an unexpected alliance with Maui, who at first reluctantly joins her. Together, they confront fiery monsters, navigate treacherous waters, and learn the true meaning of courage, identity, and friendship. Moana's story is not just about sailing across the ocean, but about the courage to follow one's own heart and the power of legacy connecting past, present, and future. The ocean, a character in its own right, remains her constant companion and guide.